Welcome to the module How to Create Coupons for Your Products. In this video, we will walk you through what coupons are, benefits of coupons, and how to get started. In simple terms, coupons are the digital version of vouchers similar to those we get in brand stores or supermarkets. It can be used to avail money off or percentage off on eligible single or multiple products. Coupons are a simple and easy option to promote your products. The coupons appear throughout Amazon.in pages, including search results, product details page, and there is even a separate landing page just for coupons. The customer can simply click on Collect Coupon and the offers are instantly applied during checkout. This feature increases the chances of attracting more customers towards your products, which in turn helps improving your sales. Getting started is easy. Go to the Advertising tab and click on Coupons. If you are creating coupons for the first time, click on Create Your First Coupon button. Choose your products for which you want to generate coupons by entering the product SKU or ASIN. Click on Go and add a coupon button. Continue to the next step. Enter the discount you want to offer as money off or percentage off and set your budget. Select if you want to restrict the coupon redemptions one per buyer or many and continue to next step. Give your coupons a title. If you want, you can even choose to limit the audience of your coupons to all buyers or prime buyers. Schedule it for how long you would like the coupon to run and continue to next step. Review and click on Submit. Coupons will be live on Amazon.in as per the scheduled time provided by you. Thank you and happy selling on Amazon.